Hello guys, my name is Shakil Hassan. I am a second year student in International Medical University. Today my topic of presentation is drug affecting on thyroid gland. What is thyroid gland? Thyroid gland is a vital hormonal gland. It play an important role in metabolism, growth and development of a human body. Let's discuss about slides of drugs affecting on thyroid glands. Let's start with drug affecting on thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a vital hormone gland. It plays a major role in the metabolism, growth and development of human body. It helps to regulate many body functions by constantly releasing a steady amount of thyroid hormone into the bloodstream if the body needs more energy in the certain situation. For instance, if it's growing or cold or during pregnancy, the thyroid gland produces more hormone. This organ is found at the front of the neck under the voice box. It is butterfly shaped. The two side lobes lie against and around the windpipe and are connected at the front by a narrow strip of tissue. The thyroid weighs between 20 and 60 grams on average. It is surrounded by two fibrous capsules. The outer capsule is connected to the voice box muscle and many important vessels and nerves. There is loose connective tissue between the inner and the outer capsule, so the thyroid can move and change its position when it swells. And the thyroid tissue itself consists of lot of small individual lobes that are enclosed in the layer of connective tissue. These lobules contain a great number of small vesicles called follicles, which store thyroid hormones in the form of little droplets. And there is a pineal gland, a small gland near the center of brain, melatonin, and a hypothalamus, which produce releasing hormone, and anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary gland produce luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone (PRL), thyroid stimulating hormone (ACTH), gonadotrophic hormone, and they produce testosterone, T3, T4, calcitonin, estrogen, progesterone, anti-mutanin hormone, adrenaline, cortisol, insulin, glucagon, and somatostatin. And it produces thyroid peroxidase, thyroxine, and triiodothyronine, which are receptor and a member of G protein coupled receptor. And its a reaction is NH2 single bond CI2 single bond CACWH and join with the 4-iodine to produce tetraiodothyronine and alanine. And another one is combined with 3-iodine to produce triiodothyronine and alanine. The thyroid hormone regulates the body metabolic rate, controlling heart, muscle, digestive function, brain development, and bone maintenance. Its correct functioning depends upon diet. Goiter is an enlarged thyroid gland due to any cause is called goiter. For the gland to palpable, it must be at least 40 grams. A patient with goiter may be euthyroid, hyperthyroid, or hypothyroid. Hyperthyroidism are called underactive thyroid. Low thyroid or hyperthyroidism is a disorder of endocrine system in which the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. Its symptoms are tiredness, being sensitive to cold, weight gain, constipation, depression, slow movement and thoughts, muscle latches and weakness, muscle cramps. Standard treatment for hypothyroidism involves daily use of synthetic thyroid hormone. This oral medication restores adequate hormone level, reversing the sign and symptom of hyperthyroidism. Cretinism is a congenital hypothyroidism which results in the growth or retardation developmentally. Another abnormal feature, cretinism can be due to deficiency of iodine in the mother diet during pregnancy. Hyperthyroidism occurs when thyroid gland produces too much of the hormone thyroxine. Hyperthyroidism can accelerate the body metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. The symptoms are nervousness, mood swing, difficulty sleeping, persistent tiredness and weakness, sensitivity to heat, swelling in the neck from enlarged thyroid gland, irregular or usually fast heart, twitching or trembling. Graves' disease is an immune system disorder that results in the overproduction of thyroid hormones. Although a number of disorders may result in hypothyroidism, Graves' disease is a common cause. Anti Antithyroperoxidase antibody is a standard treatment for Hashimoto disease. Is levothyroxine T4. However, the extracts are available that contain thyroid hormone or derived from thyroid glands of pig. These products, Arbor thyroid, for example, contain both levothyroxine and triiodothyronine. First one, potassium iodide. The most rapid effect at pharmacological doses of potassium iodide is decrease the globin proteolysis, thereby decreasing thyroid hormone secretion. The resulting slight of T4 and T3 concentration in the serum cause of TSH concentration in the serum. Its internal dosage tablets is 100 to 200 mcg. Half-life is 24 hours. Common side effect of potassium iodine include allergic reactions, uh, which include hives, swelling of various parts of the body such as face, lips, tongue, throat, hand, feet, fever with the joint pain, trouble breathing, speaking, swallowing, wheezing, or shortness of breath. Another one is levothyroxine. Brand name is Levoxel, Sinothyroid, and Unithyroid. Levothyroxine oral tablet is used to treat hypothyroidism. It is also used to treat quite a certain type of thyroid cancer. Levothyroxine comes in the three form: oral tablet, capsule, and injectable solution. Its internal dose is 25 mcg to 300 mcg. Parental dose is 100 mcg per 5 ml, and half-life is 6 to 7 days. The most common side effect of levothyroxine can include increased appetite, weight loss, high sensitivity, excessive sweating, headache, hyperactivity, nervousness, and anxiety. Another one is methimazole. Its internal dose is tablet 5 mg and 10 mg. Half-life is 56 hours. And fourth one is propylthiouracil. Its internal dose is tablet 50 mg. Half-life is 1 to 2 hours. Mechanism of action: inhibit the production of new thyroid hormone in thyroid gland. It acts by inhibiting the enzyme thyroid peroxidase, which usually functions to convert iodine to iodide molecules and incorporate the iodine molecule into amino acid tyrosine. Common side effects are nausea, vomiting, upset stomach, headache, dizziness, numbness, tingling feeling, rash, itching skin, discoloration, muscle or joint pain, hair loss, or decreased sense of taste. Here are the description and the results. First one is iodomaranin is 200 mcg tablet. It taken as one tablet a day. Then another one is levothyroxine 100 mcg tablet. It taken as one tablet a day in the morning. Another one is methimazole 10 mg tablet taken as one tablet a day. Thank you for your attention.